Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to give you some quick review about these two website VPN. First one is SurfsharkVPN. This is right here, SurfsharkVPN, and the other one is Namecheap VPN. They are both VPN. They are both VPN, and they are very fast and reliable. But in this video, we're going to check their key features, what each VPN stands for, their main purpose, their services, the type of services they render to their client, and how powerful they are to one another. So let's start with SurfsharkVPN. So in this video, we're going to check through the reviews, the pricing list, the key important features of the website, the experience of the website, what people say, the testimonies, their pricing, their plan, and a whole lot of more like that. What their product is all about, a lot of things about this website. So Surfshark is one of the highly rated websites, about 10.0, about 9.0 rate to 10 on the website. They provide Surfshark website, they provide Surfshark antivirus on their website. They also provide Surfshark search engine on their website, and they also provide Surfshark alert. They provide alternative ID. They also provide dedicated IP address to their customer services, and they also provide 30 days money back guarantee if you don't feel like using their service anymore, or maybe you didn't meet up with your standard. They have 30 days. This is here, get 30 days money back guarantee. So that is key, one of the key feature things here. And also there is the website right here, protect your online privacy. So if you're the type of person that love to protect your privacy online, this particular website is very good option for you. Yeah, they provide privacy and is becoming invisible online with SurfsharkVPN. Yeah, with SurfsharkVPN becoming invisible online is made more easier for you as a person. Now, why choose Surfshark? So here we're going to give you some list of reasons why you should choose Surfshark. They provide they provide device number, they provide server location, which is about 100. Alternative number generators, they provide that for Surfshark, they did. For other VPN, which is for Express VPN, they don't. Proton VPN, they don't. Access Unlimited VPN, they don't. Then CyberGhost, they don't provide alternative image generator, but under the SurfsharkVPN, they provide that. Feature. If you can see from the email, from the video right here, the website provide device number. They have about unlimited, but Express VPN only provide about 8. Under Proton provide the just 10. Why Surfshark can connect to unlimited devices, which is device number. Surfshark can connect to unlimited devices. These can only connect to 8. Proton can only connect to 10. Also, Access also can only connect. Access also connect unlimitedly. While for Ghost or CyberGhost only connect to 7. So if you are a CyberGhost VPN user, you only have about 7 opportunities for your device to be connected to VPN, and for server's location, there are about 100 server's location. Express VPN have about 105. Proton have about 100. Access 1, CyberGhost also have about 100. So talking about the alternative generator, Surfshark provide that, while other VPN on the list they don't. Starting from Express, Proton, Access, and CyberGhost, they don't provide alternative Gmail. Talking about the data breach alert, provide that, but the other VPN don't. Starting from the ExpressVPN, ProtonVPN also, but CyberGhost also provide data breach alert. Back to malware protection, Surfshark provide that, but ExpressVPN they don't. Proton they don't, compared to other tracker and ads blocker with you, while other websites also provide that. Now, here's a couple of reasons why the protection presence. You can see protect your online presence. Now you can see this actually check through my IP address. You can see this is really frustrating. We have our IP address detector, so if you want to hide this, you can just simply hide it on the website. But if you want to hide that, you have to pay. See, compare VPN plan pricing. So this is your pricing right here. This is the pricing. So you can also get that under the pricing. So if you want to purchase their services, this is about, you save about 86% for about $2.9 per month, which is USD. Then you have access to the list of the services right here. Only have about access to 2 services, which is their plan, which is the VPN. Then you also have an alternative ID. So starting from the antivirus alert, the search and data remover by incognito. You don't have access to that. But if you are on the most popular plan, then you're gonna have to pay about $2.69. Then you have about 3 extra months. Then you get all of this plan: the VPN, alternative ID, virus alert, search and data removal incognito. Can get access to that. Can get access to a lot of that. Then if you have this Surfshark One Plus, and these are about 79% sale, which is $4.29 per month with 3 months extra. You can pay this. This is how much you paid, which is $4.29. Then you have about access to the VPN. You have, this is what they call exclusive pack. Yeah, this one pack right here, one pack plus is exclusive, and these are the services. This is it here. So if you want to get started, with any one of these, just pick one, then you proceed with the payment method. So if you want to download, they have different download cells on their website. You can download for Windows. They have a list of the devices I can download. You can download for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android app, Android VPN, iOS VPN, Chrome, and all other websites like that. Is it here? You can also create an account. You can download the app. You can also sign into your account if you want. So if you want to get one sign in, just click on this option, which is get Surfshark, or probably tap on this. Then if you have an account, you can easily create an account with that. And these are the plan. Get a plan that suits your needs. So we've discussed about that on the pricing list. These are the available pricing list that we have for the VPN, and these are the, so discover the top Surfshark VPN app benefits. So these are the benefits of using Surfshark. The first thing, you can get the enjoyed greater online privacy. We have protect unlimited devices. You have you have access to connect to the fastest server. You have the personalize your security and all of that. Also ads blocker, which is pretty cool. So let's move that to, and they have many of that. Yeah, and also all of these Surfshark support. Yeah, their support. These are their support, and these are the testimonials, people that testify to services, which is pretty cool. So let's go back to Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the most fastest VPN also. The fast VPN is the fast, secure, and cheap way to protect your internet freedom, which is pretty cool. You can get started doing an account. These are the introducing the VPN to protect your online identity. This public Wi-Fi service, so we are kind of those that love to connect to free Wi-Fi, but we really like people connect to free Wi-Fi. Love using free Wi-Fi, stay connected to this VPN, access your regional site from that. Also, you can also protect all your devices with one account using the VPN. You can also enjoy unlimited bandwidth and also strict no log policy. They also have 24/7 customer services, which is pretty awesome. They have this enhanced view, which is one of the most brief thing about their website. And here is the pricing. Choose your best plan. Yeah, you can get that. Also, this is the pricing. That's the pricing. The room is the pricing. They only provide about 2 plans, which is year plan and monthly plan. So if you want to subscribe for the year plan, which is 1.0 per month, which is $1. At first, they have 65% off of their pricing, which make this available at the rate of $1. Then these are 0.99 cents. But this is monthly, while this is yearly. So depends. Easy to use. VPN made easy. So these you can connect to your phone, your laptop, your TV, Apple TV, your Android, iOS, and these are the service available for that I've mentioned earlier. And these are the exploring with VPN to this country right here. They have access to the VPN, which is awesome. So now why Namecheap? So here is the reason why they actually provide reason why you should use this website, which is for providing privacy and security. If you're a online business, you want to run privacy from online business, this is also a good option for you. Customer services, which is pretty cool and awesome. You can also go in live chat with your customer services. If you want to go to live chat page where you can chat one-on-one with your customer representative, which is also awesome. You can also check the available app for this. As you can see, they have for Android, Windows, iOS, macOS, router, Pro, which is beautiful thing. These are features. You can see that features compared to these are features: protect your online privacy, access to journal content, strict no log policy. And let's check the Surfshark. These are products. Okay, under that they have these are products. Yeah. So this is what they provide right here. This is the under Namecheap, they provide all of this, which is under their features, or under Surfshark, under their product. These are product. SurfsharkVPN, they provide privacy. They also provide Surfshark antivirus, which lightweight yet powerful security to protect your device from harm. They provide Surfshark Search, has free, completely private web searches to avoid tracking. You can see this another level of incognito, which is personal information removal from data brokers and data big companies. Also, they provide self-alert. So the product for this is kind of super cool compared to Namecheap. So that's it. So I made this video full. Turn on the notification button and follow for more. Don't forget, you can get back to us in the comment section. Let's see which one you think is best for you. Thank you.